Hello everybody, thanks for watching. This is George here at Wicked Warnings, back again with another beautiful new Super Duty. This one happens to be a 2019 with a Knapheide walk-in body on the back. Number 3 of a 3-truck series. Now you can check out the dump truck and the open bed body on another video. As you can see, we got a lot of lights on this truck, and I gotta say it real clear right now so everybody understands. Look in the description of the video for links to all of these lights. Once again, in the description of this video, we will have links to every one of these lights, so you can get every single thing that you need from this build right in the description and the video of this product. Now, what you're looking at, you can see we have our auto flasher module by Wicked Warnings on the cab clearance lights. That's those 5 lights on the roof. You can see they're flashing at a rapid pace on and off. That is our auto flasher module, and the version is for the cab clearance lights. Now you can do this job 2 ways. You can flash all 5 on and off together, as we have, quickly and easily, or you can elect to split the roof up if you prefer. If you want to drop the headliner and get in there and split up those roof lights, you can do that too. We did not. On the grill of this truck, you'll see our Razor LED, synchronized and set up on one of the patterns that alternates speed. It also alternates color, as you can see, flip-flopping between the white and the amber, and also flip-flopping between a slower and faster speed. We left the grill kind of on its own pattern, and we synchronized most of the rest of the truck to go on the same double flash, alternating side-by-side pattern. The reason being is, as you could probably guess, this truck isn't doing any high-speed pursuit. It's not doing any highway warning. So for this, because most of the time there's probably going to be a handful of tradesmen walking around the truck, we chose a little bit more subdued pattern, just a little bit slower. So we alternated it with amber and white, and we also tied in that popular flood mode that everybody loves. Now, we didn't flood the roof for obvious reasons, and in the back, you can see a little bit of the reflection off of the overhead door of the internal integrated Knapheide amber strobe lights that are in the taillights. I'll show you more about those when we spin it around. But as you can see, one switch on this vehicle will give them 18 LEDs, a steady white light. That's 4 in the grill, 2 on the badges, 3 down each side, 4 around back, and 2 in the front. As well as giving them just a little bit of amber forward with the roof and a little bit of amber backwards. That way they don't lose any of the forward, backward. A little bit of warning. Misspoke there. They do lose most of the warning, but we saved a little bit. A little bit amber forward, a little bit amber backward if they're using that flood feature. Now, I know you guys like to see, well, how bright is it? Show us the brightness. Tell us how many lux those lights are. Well, I'll be buying a lux meter pretty soon just to satisfy those requests. But for now, here's what I can do. We can show you that the shop lights are off all the way around the shop. See, I'm dark. This shop is dark, except for this truck. And as you can see, it has lit the shop fairly well. I'm not going to say that I'd like to work and do installs with this light, but it definitely lights my whole shop very nicely. As you can see on the wall, reflection over here. We got some real good light coming out of here. So let me show you how it flashes one more time. There's your flashing in the dark shop. Nice little disco show for you. Definitely looks pretty cool. Let me kick the lights back on and get you a little bit better view. But that'd be your evening or early morning display when this truck goes out to work. I actually like that. I think that's a very cool shot right there. Alrighty, so out back we've got 4 lights, 2 down low, 2 up high. We've also got that integrated amber warning and the Knapheide tail lights. If you need assistance with figuring out how to hook that warning up, give us an email, let us know, send us a photo of your vehicle. We can give you a hand via email, please. And via email, I'll be happy to help you out and tell you where the pink wire is that you need to energize to get those Knapheide lights working. And another little side shot for you. You can see the side of the truck there. I'll show you that flood steady one more time. There you can see all those nice white work lights. And right now I have the warning off. And now you can see, as I said, those integrated Knapheide taillight strobes that we've also turned on with this system via customer request. Let me just show you those lights right there. You can see how bright they are against our Thin-X. And here you can get a real life comparison shot kind of what our Thin-X is going to look like next to those Knapheide lights as far as brightness. There's a little more head-on shot so you can kind of see what you're getting into if you buy the Thin-X and you happen to have them lights too. All these controlled by 2 auxiliary switches in the cab. Client request. Switch number 1 does the flashing. Switch number 2 does the flood. We labeled them as such. That way anybody that grabs this truck working knows exactly what it's going to do. And the other 2 trucks in the fleet function very similar. Thanks again for watching. This is George again at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency LED strobe lighting and safety equipment for cars, vans, trucks, buses, utility bodies, dump trucks, SUVs, CVRs, and PCPs. Everything you want, we got it. So make sure to check again the description of this video for links to all of these lights. Drop a comment. Let me know that somebody out there is listening and hearing what I'm saying. And any suggestions, feel free to shoot a comment or an email, and we'll get back to you. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget to check out the other 2 red trucks in this fleet. This is a 1 of 3 for this particular build for this client. So there are 2 more trucks out there that definitely look very cool and kind of match up with this style. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. We'll see you guys on the next one.